Hello friends, I'm Irfan and you are watching Comotech. Today I will show you how to import Gmail contacts in Huawei phone which is without Play Store support. If you are new to my channel, subscribe the channel and click on bell icon to be updated about new video uploads. So let's start. First of all, open your browser and go to contacts.google.com. Click on menu, go to export, select vCard for iOS contact. Click on download. After downloading, go to your file manager, downloads, browser and select contact.vcf. Click on open with contacts. Click on just one. It will show a message that import contacts from vCard. Click on OK. After successful import, go to your contact apps and you will see all your Gmail contacts in there. If this video helped you, like the video and don't forget to share with friends. See you in next video. Goodbye.